traffic is not really our problem right now. What's our problem?
Our problem is we got a EPC and check engine light on our Volkswagen while we were just cruising in traffic. The car is definitely in limp mode. It's misfiring, of course. It's probably a coil or something small, but I can't diagnose it because I don't have a code reader with me right now. So now we're waiting for Volkswagen roadside assistance, which could take 90 to 120 minutes.
So about 2 hours.
Well, the good news is we still have a half a tank of gas. The car is idling, at least. It's not like idling rough. So the engine seems fine in that part, but I think it's definitely in limp mode, and it does feel like it's misfiring once you do press the accelerator and the engine shakes, of course. It's not making any knocking noises or anything like that, so I don't think there's anything mechanical wrong with the engine. I've already checked all the harnesses, the plugs, the throttle body, everything.
We check oil, sensors,
map sensor, and then I even checked the plugs on the coils. Disconnected the battery for a couple of minutes, reconnected it,
just to see the reset it.
Trying to get it to clear that way, since I don't have a scanner with us to clear it. If we had the OBD2 scanner, we could probably clear it, or at least diagnose which misfire it is, which cylinder it is, or what's really going on, get a code. But since I don't have a scanner on me, and we're in the middle of nowhere, so this is our only option right now. So I guess we're probably just gonna sit here, chill, relax, wait for the tow truck, and get it towed to the nearest Volkswagen dealership, which is Gaplin Volkswagen. Get a room at Holiday Inn, which is nearby. Do an unplanned staying in in this area. So not quite the Thursday night that we wanted, but well, we gotta do what we gotta do. Hopefully they can diagnose the car real quick tomorrow. It's under warranty, so they should cover it. Hopefully, crossing fingers. I wish the 90 minutes to 120 minutes is gonna be faster, but with the traffic how it is right now,
it's getting very slow because the traffic on the side of the road is like, look, oh my god, it's just not cooperating. This is an unplanned check-in.
306.
We are in Holiday Inn, right?
Yeah.
In Van Nuys. Is it Van Nuys?
I don't know how to pronounce it.
I think Van Nuys. It's a nice room. It's very simple and basic.
For short notice.
This is an unplanned one, so.
The guy at the front desk was really nice.
Mm-hmm.
So.
For some reason, he couldn't find our booking.
Yeah.
Because we booked it around 10:50, and yeah.
And right now it's 3. Oh no, it's about 3 in the morning exactly. Yeah. So
just remember, we got stuck in traffic at around 8 or 7 something. Yeah. No, 8.
8. Yeah.
Yeah, 8 something.
Yeah.
So we were there since 8, and we got picked up around 2 with a tow truck, which is, what's his name? Adam.
I'm pretty sure he's tired too. It's been a really long day for all of us.
Oh my god.
But yeah, we're gonna definitely going to get cleaned up and then pass out because I've been up for 23 hours.
And we still have to get up early tomorrow or before 7:30 so we can call the Volkswagen.
Yeah, we gotta figure out what is wrong with the car. I'm hoping it's just a coil, but we'll see. after they run diagnostics on it and stuff. So
yeah, more update tomorrow, I guess.
So yep, well, let's get cleaned up and pass out for 4 hours.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I can.
Oh.
Ooh. That's what you want, babe. Ooh. Eggs. There's cereal. Ooh. With coffee. Morning.
Good morning.
We're walking to the Volkswagen.
Yeah. So they called us this morning, and he says it could possibly be the fuel injector harness. So now we're trying to work out the whole warranty thing and all that. So.
If not, we have to end up paying over $1,000.
Yeah.
For the part and the service.
Yeah. So we're walking over there right now. See if we can get some more information, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah. Let's go. Maybe should we just buy a new car? Let's cross and get a Land Rover.
Yeah, we'll see why not.
Or a Jaguar, perhaps. We're waiting for our car. Yeah.
Hopefully get fixed. You kind of got scrambled last night.
Baby, I want this.
We had it towed here last night, and then we ended up staying at the Holiday Inn over there.
We got stuck on Highway 5.
We're at the
Where are you guys from?
This is the traffic point of what had happened last night.
It's like deja vu.
Yeah, this is giving me anxiety right now.
Well, the good news is we're much further north than what we was yesterday.
Exactly.
Before I say anything right now, I'm gonna give a huge shout out to a few people. One is Adam from AA Technical Solutions Towing. That guy was completely amazing, and
He's a champ. A very nice
he is
guy.
a lifesaver. He had to jump through some hurdles just to get to us, and he did that. He even, you know, after he dropped off our car, he even gave us a ride to a hotel. So
Just to make sure we're safe.
Yeah.
Because the neighborhood.
Supposedly
we were
neighborhood's
in, yeah.
not that good at nighttime.
Correct.
So, but you know, we didn't get hurt or robbed or anything, so that's good. Second and third, our service advisor, man, awesome guy.
Pedro, right?
Pedro Silva. So thank you, Pedro. You they were bombarded with all kinds of cars today. They were slammed.
They're very busy, correct.
But somehow, some way, they managed to get our car in, diagnose what the problem was, and unfortunately, I don't have our actual service rep, their name. I actually tried looking on paperwork, but I couldn't see it. I couldn't find it. But thank you for the technician who fixed our car, and then the lady at the register, Francis.
Very nice lady.
Very friendly lady. I'm mumbling my words. I haven't had sleep in about 2 days, it seems like.
We haven't taken it back. We haven't brushed our teeth. This is the reality right now.
Yeah, reality is like we're camping without camping and having anything with us. And we're wearing the same clothes we wore yesterday.
Exactly. You're like, you guys don't know what's going on in our head right now, but
So just keeping it real.
uh-huh.
All right, so I'm gonna get with what's wrong with what happened, what was actually wrong with the car. It popped a code for P0203. which is for the wiring harness for ejector number 3. The technician read wires and found out, yeah, the harness was defective. So had to replace the injector harness. That fixed the problem. The good news is we have a 150,000 mile warranty. It did cover. All we had to pay was a $100 deductible. When we bought it brand new in 2019, we made sure to have a good warranty, 150,000 miles. So that saved us. This is the first time we actually had to use it, which is good. That saved us $1,500. That harness itself was $1,200.
Exactly.
So, oh man. What was bad is it's actually a third-party warranty that, you know, Clovis Volkswagen offered us. So we had the paperwork in the glove compartment, thank God. You know,
but they couldn't really like.
And I can't remember the name of the warranty company, and I'm like trying to search it, and at the worst time, my brain is not working because I have no sleep. So I'm just like, oh my, I know we have a warranty. Like I don't know the name of the company. I don't know what it is. What was it actually? What was
Drive Easy.
Oh, Drive Easy Volkswagen. Yeah, there we go. Drive Easy.
I was very close because we couldn't find it. So I was very close to just like, I literally just told Daniel, you know what? Let's just pay it and get over it.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So that was the problem. That was, I mean, I would have known it if I had a scanner with me. It would have told me the same thing. I mean, I wouldn't have been able to do anything. Maybe just disconnect it and try to drive it without it misfiring on that cylinder or dumping fuel in that cylinder. I probably could have done it that way, but I still would have had to take it to a shop or whatever. So yeah, Gaplin Volkswagen saved our butts, and so now we're heading home, and there is tremendously amount of traffic on the I-5 North. It's about an hour delay.
Correct. See,
but the car does feel great. It feels smooth, feels brand new again. So
I'm gonna show you guys that
there's no codes, no lights.
No code.
That's how it's supposed to look.
Yep.
But I'm just happy it was found. It was fixed. They actually had the parts.
And we're on the way home.
Yeah, the parts were actually there. You know, because
we didn't have to order it. That's correct.
Yeah. So luckily they actually had a harness on standby. So we got lucky there too. So, but anyway, we're gonna close this out and stop rambling on and head home.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. As always, take care and God bless.
Thank you guys.
Till the next one.
I'm gonna show you the traffic.
Yay! I love traffic.
As the